today. So something's wrong here. Let's check it out. Where is it here? All right. That cannot be good. So let's go up and have a look. I grabbed a bunch of supplies. We'll see what's going on up there. All right, let's have a look here. Well, let's see. Beautiful. Okay, I managed to get it up here, and I'm gonna put this all back together nicely. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I've got it going right into the eaves trough there, just how I want it. It's all secured. I'm pretty happy with that. And the customer's happy. Have an awesome day.